happens when curiosity comes first? What does it truly mean to put STEM first? In our rural community of Hammond, Louisiana, STEM education was once a dream. 20 seasons ago, opportunities to spark STEM engagement were limited in Tangipahoa. Torbotics set out to change that. We made it our mission to put STEM first for every student, no matter their background. Rooted in first core values, inclusion is not just something we promote, it is our foundation. With 54% of us young women and 68 students of color, we are proof that STEM is for everyone. From 9 initial students to 93 today, Torbotics builds opportunity and futures for others by curating spaces where STEM and first values are essential.
2080 strives to be implementors of FIRST. Through our dedication, we have implemented STEM education in 18 local schools, impacting over 3,000 students. Through an 8-year partnership with NASA, we made it possible for over 800 youth to explore STEM. We lead week-long ASTRO Camps filled with engaging activities, robot demonstration, and NASA planetarium presentations. Another long-standing partnership is the Hammond Regional Air Show. This year we launched the Bayou Skies Robotics Exhibition, bringing FIRST robotics to over 30,000 attendees and exposing our entire region to STEM innovation. As a team devoted to our community, we recognize that economics can limit access, so when kids can't come to us, we go to them.
We've created STEM2Go kits filled with hands-on activities, allowing every child to participate regardless of resources. We create opportunities for all. As demonstrators, it is our mission to exhibit the power of FIRST in changing the trajectory of a region. Parades allow us to immerse FIRST in the culture of Louisiana. Our 2022 robot, Notorious, has rode over 47 miles of parade routes in 3 years, named the official parade robot of the French Quarter.
Through this outreach, we connect over 50,000 people with FIRST, sparking a butterfly effect of inspiration. Like #Curators, in a museum, we don't just build robots. We strive for impact through innovation. In 2022, we met a little girl named Mackenzie with spinal muscular atrophy. Torbotics persisted for 14 months, building a harness that let her sit and play unassisted for the first time. While Mackenzie passed away in January 2024, her story lives on as we refine this device to be open source for children everywhere.
We implement, curate, and demonstrate FIRST mission wherever young minds need a spark. This year, our initiatives impacted over 160,000 people. #Put STEM First is more than a motto, it's a mindset. It's who we are, it is a choice to lead with curiosity and build with purpose through resilience. We are Team 2080 Torbotics, and together we're building a brighter future for Louisiana and beyond. This is how impact becomes legacy.